I go first. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Be careful. We'll find out. Whoa. Whoa, hold on. Stop. Don't get close.
Can I throw a rock in there?
Yeah, go for it. Whoa. What just happened?
It didn't even crack.
Do it again. Wow, look at this frozen river. Six and wins. Ready, go.
Ah.
Ooh, nope. Who's next? Whoa, that ice is pretty thick, huh, guys? Whew. Whoa.
I got it.
I don't think it cracked.
It was cracked, right?
It's pretty thin on this side over here. Who's next? Woo! It's chilly out here, boys. Ooh, almost. You can hear the thump, right? Ooh, that was close.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Daniel, Jacob, that's not nice to just grab, right? From people.
I need to get close to it.
No. Okay, right here. You can come right here. Okay, go for it. Go for it, Daniel. Whoa!
I got this one. That's not crack.
You really cracked it. Okay, Jacob, go ahead.
Max, that's what. Then Max gonna fall. Sure, you ready? Can I do it?
Okay, go ahead. Well, you got in there. Where did all the birds go?
Wait, I see something. Look. Right there.
Oh, what is that? You see it right there where that little circle is? Does that look like a little head sticking out? What is that? Oh, look at that ice right there.